the shoe on. Go ahead, put the shoe on. Whoa! Hold my hand. Hold my hand and I'll help you put the shoe on. No? Okay, then you do it. Then you do it yourself. If you don't want help. Very good. You want to sit? There. Sit. This doesn't seem like a very fun game. Alright, you want Mommy to help you? Help? What do you want to do? Oh, there you go. Can you give me a smile? Michaela, can you show Mommy surprise face? Show me surprise face. Show me surprise. No, that's sad face. All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye.